A death row inmate could soon be a free man thanks to misconduct on the part of prosecutors who worked for Alameda County's previous district attorney.
A federal judge ordered the current DA, Pamela Price, to review Alameda County's death penalty cases after allegations prosecutors had been keeping blacks, Jews, and members of the LGBTQ community off of juries. As KRON 4's Dan Kerman reports, that review has now led to the resentencing of some death row inmates.
In 1995, Ernest Dykes was sentenced to death for killing a 9-year-old during the commission of a robbery. But while his case was on appeal, Alameda County prosecutors discovered decades-old prosecutorial notes indicating attorneys had purposely kept blacks and Jews off his jury.
Any prosecutor who engages in this type of misconduct, who violates the constitutional rights of the defendant, also violates the constitutional rights of our community members, of our victims, and members, and everyone who works in the criminal justice system to try to create fairness.
A federal judge ordered a review, and now, based on this misconduct in the state's Racial Justice Act, Dykes is being resentenced, which will result in his release next year.
I do believe that that is the proper resolution at this time. We have thoroughly vetted that situation. We have spoken with the family members. We have worked with the court as well as CDCR to ensure that in the event that we expect Mr. Dykes to be released, that he will not be a danger to public safety. That is our first concern.
Dykes and another death row inmate may be the first of many to be resentenced. A federal judge has ordered Price to review Alameda County death penalty cases dating back to 1978. Price has already found members of the LGBTQ+ community were also excluded from juries. And she's also uncovered that in 70% of these death penalty cases, prosecutor notes on jury selection are missing.
There may well have been an effort to sanitize the files. We intend to look into that, hopefully with the assistance of the California Attorney General's office.
Again, the DA says they're still reviewing the bulk of those 35 death penalty cases, but so far they have found misconduct on the part of 5 former attorneys who used to work for the office, 1 attorney who still works for the office and is now being supervised, and 1 judge. In Oakland, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.
We have